this is an unbelievable way to get your kids out of the heat this summer and experience something totally cool, something totally unique. And these kids are actually doing some video games right here. But this is all about learning games, coding, all kinds of really cool things. And the cool thing is the age range is from 6 to 15 years old. So all different age ranges and expertise. We've got Marshall Cannon here. Marshall, first of all, tell us kind of what you do and what this is all about.
Right, so my job at CodaKid is creating the curriculum, creating the code the kids are actually going to be learning, taking programming concepts and breaking them down, figuring out how can a kid understand this, how can we teach this to our students.
Very cool. So Marshall, let's show off this whole, so this is kind of the activity area we've got right here. And then in here, just past that, these kids actually were doing a little bit of coding earlier. Right now they're doing some Minecraft gaming, which is really cool. Kind of explain what's going on in here though, Marshall, in a little more detail.
So in here we have a modding. We are taking Minecraft, the popular video game, and opening up the code on it, actually looking at the source code, making changes, making additions, so kids are learning how the code is working and then making their own changes to it as well, so they can customize the game.
What do you think, I mean, in terms of a kid, this hitting home for kids, this seems to really hit home. You can see how engaged these kids really are. What do you think it is about all this that kind of hits home for so many of them, especially with all these different age ranges?
Well, it gives them a chance to work on something they're really excited about, because kids love Minecraft, and it lets them, actually understand this thing they love and actually make changes and work on something that feels very real and very, very impressive.
For you, what's the most rewarding part before we go talk to Tessa over there?
Most rewarding part is when you're trying to explain a concept that you use professionally in programming and a kid finally gets it and they finally get to use it on their own and use it in their own applications.
Perfect, Marshall. Thank you so much. And again, one other thing we want to drive home is these are skills that these kids can then transfer in so many different areas in the future, which is so cool. We have got Tessa. I'm going to squeeze on this side right here. We've got Is it Tess or Tessa? Tessa, how you doing? How old are you?
I'm 8.
You're 8 years old. Tell us what you're doing right here.
I am kind of killing these monsters.
Oh, that is so cool. Are you loving this?
Yeah.
Last thing I want to ask you, what is your favorite part of all this?
I like making stuff in Minecraft. I like coding.
So like creating the building. That is really cool. Well, you can definitely see it because that looks unbelievable. That is a very cool game to look at. And again, all of this going on all summer long. It's going to be starting towards the end of May 30th, and wrapping right through the middle of August. So a great experience for kids 6 to 15 years old. Back to you.